these called? Chicken
taquitos.
Taquitos. We're at Cheesecake. Looks so yum. So pretty out and fallish. We're going to Whole Foods to return the stuff that we got and then do a little more shopping. So it's got a package from Glossier. So we're gonna open this. We love a good Glossier moment. Okay, so I got this sample to try this out. This is the Future Dew, so I'm gonna try that. Got this cute sticker, and I'm obsessed with these bags that they give you that the stuff comes in. So cute. So I got the Lash Stick, which this is like my favorite mascara. And then I got 2 of the Glossier Boy Brows. These are amazing. The Boy Brow is literally the best thing ever. I can't wait to use these. Alright, so I made the salads. It's just spinach, black beans, cheese, avocado, and sour cream. Oh, and a vegan ranch. It's so good. So, we're gonna go and eat these and pizza. I just got done doing my makeup and I'm getting ready to go out. I'm meeting my friend for coffee today. I'm meeting her at 4 and it's like 1:20 now, so I'm about to go pick out an outfit, but I just wanted to say hi and I hope everybody's having a great day so far. And I'm not quite sure what this vlog is gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog today or not, but if I don't, I'll vlog when I get back home. But I just did like, I did a winged liner today and it was like this really pretty eyeshadow look. It's like grays and like maroon undertones to it, so it's really pretty. I'm really liking it for winter. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, give this a thumbs up and I will film one for you. So yeah, let me go pick out what I'm gonna go wear real quick and get on with the rest of my day. So we've got truffles and wine and more truffles. Yum. So we're about to go back home and watch a movie. We just went to literally the cutest place ever. It's all organic and local stuff. So I got a juice. It's like beets, carrots, and I think orange. And then we got a pizza for dinner. And it was just so cute. And it's in Franklin. So now we're gonna go back home and chill. So yeah. So I wanted to show you guys this bread that we just went and got. It is cranberry walnut. And it looks so good. It's all organic and like locally fresh ingredients. And this is just a place that we went to. So it smells amazing. And then we also got a pizza from there. Looks so good. It's margarita. So I can't wait to try this out. I also picked up some more Himalayan sea salt. This is like my favorite one ever. It's a lot healthier for you than just like regular table salt. So I had to pick some of that up. We're watching Bo's favorite Christmas movie.
Nope.
He just loves it so much. Okay, it's mine. He still loves it.
Nope.
He pretends that he is the guy in the movie and it gives him anxiety. So
it gives me anxiety for sure.
It's so good though.
Nope.
Yeah. That's not why you watch it every year.
You force me!
Well, I'll cut that out. Guys, so I'm meeting my friend Jasmine right now. We're about to go have some dinner and then do a little shopping together, you know, girls' day. I'm so excited to see her. So we're gonna maybe do a little bit of vlogging, a little shopping. We're eating at True Food Kitchen in Nashville. So I'll let you guys know how it is. Their Instagram looks really good, like all the food on it. So I'm very excited to try it out and see how it is. So yeah, I'm about to just get out and walk across the street. It looks like it's about to rain, so I probably need to bring my umbrella. So I got a, what was it, a skinny margarita?
Yeah,
I think.
mint one.
And what'd you get?
White wine.
Yum, delish. Okay, cheers.
Girl, that's crazy.
Whoa. But the parm. Yes, girl, yes. Guys, the tree is so beautiful. I love it. It's so cute. They have all the little cute Christmas decor out. So bomb. This place was bomb. Yeah, True Food Kitchen. Alright, we're about to go. I don't know if you guys can hear me. We're about to go to the mall. Go shop and go shop till we drop. Shop till we drop. Oh. Yes! We're at Morphe. Everything is so pretty. The Morphe store is gorgeous.
That look, I
know. This palette is stunning. A stunning queen palette. Literally. How cute is this mug though? I love this. I bought this like a few years ago and it says window shopping on it and it's like pink and Christmassy. It has this girl shopping and I don't know, I thought it was so cute. So I'm catching up on a little bit of YouTube right now and my friend just texted me and she said it's snowing outside, so I go outside to see if it's snowing and it's not snowing here yet. And then Bo texts me and says it's snowing at his work, but I don't know, it's not snowing at my house yet, so I'm patiently waiting for the snow, you know, so I can build a snowman. But I'm just watching a little bit of YouTube, drinking my coffee. I got home kind of late last night, so I forgot to vlog when I got home. Me and Bo just like watched Friends. I brought him some of my pizza that I had left over for dinner. And yeah, today I'm just chilling at home, resting up. I have a lot of stuff to do this week. I'll probably vlog a little bit today, get some stuff done, edit, and upload. So yeah, I filmed my skincare routine video the other day, so I'll link that down below so you guys can check that out if you haven't yet. And let me know what else you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see like a holiday makeup look, or maybe like a holiday outfit lookbook or something? Let me know. I would love to film maybe one of those within the next few weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my coffee, finish up my YouTube videos, and then wait for the snow. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's snowing right now, just like very lightly, but it looks so pretty, just like the little tiny snowflakes. I hope it starts to snow more, and I hope it picks up on the camera. And this is Kayla. I'm like awkwardly zooming in on you. Okay, we got tacos and chips and guac. And what'd you get?
A burrito, veggie burrito.
Margaritas. Cheers. Let's eat. Yeah, oh my god, you look so cute. We had to come and get ice cream. Why do I look like a potato?
Oh my, not even.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.